So good morning. Like it's 7 in the morning, and we just woke up. I'm here with my wife, and she's kind of upset with me. So I asked her, "Che, why are you upset with me?" And this is what she's. মশারির মধ্যেই ভিডিওটা বানাইতেছি because you know this. So tell everyone that why you are upset.
কারণ আমি একটা স্বপ্ন দেখছি।
Acha. So she has dreamt about something, and that's why she's upset, which is very common, right, with girls. What's interesting is যে ও কি নিয়ে স্বপ্ন দেখছে. Tell everyone, please.
আমি দেখছি তুমি আমাকে একটু লাসার দিতেছো WWE এর মতো। পরে আমি বলতেছি আমাকে মেরো না তবুও ওই যে এমন করে 1 2 3 করতেছে।
Can who sees dreams like this? I don't even discuss much WWE there. Of course, I have been a fan growing up, but I do not discuss things like that with her. What kind of dream is this? I mean, আমি মশারির মধ্যে এরকম একটা ভিডিও বানাইতেছি because this is hilarious.